I want to tell you about a 3-day coffee bootcamp, an immersion of classes by the Coffee Quality Institute. This workshop is perfect for you if you are in hospitality, food service, you sell restaurant equipment, you work as a bartender, or if you are a coffee professional looking to increase your coffee tasting skills for work. Day one is comprised of the class called Understanding Tastes and Flavors. This is a 100 level class where we will spend most of the day tasting the different attributes that make up a quality cup and the few attributes that really inhibit coffee from becoming a specialty grade coffee. Will be tested on this information at the end of the day, and you'll receive a certificate from the Coffee Quality Institute for your work. Days 2 and 3 are comprised of the 200 level class sensory evaluation in quality control. That means we'll take the taste memories we created in the first day and apply them to a set of several different exercises, actually 9 different exercises. You'll be tasting coffee 9 different ways, hot and cold, in triangulation, in paired sets. And through these exercises, you will understand how the industry applies quality to coffee. It will give you that skill set and it will help you increase the level of your tasting and communication ability when it comes to coffee quality. You'll receive another certificate for your participation in this sensory evaluation class. And like I said, by the end of 3 days, your perspective and tasting and communication ability in coffee will be completely altered and you'll be a contributor to the specialty coffee industry. I'm available for a one-on-one session if you want to discuss if this is the right class for you. I hope to see you there.